the class of Standard 5. Let's continue with the chapter number 3, How Many Squares, with the page number 46. Today we are at the end part of this chapter. Did you get all the 12 shapes using 5 squares? So yes, I got all the 12 shapes using 5 squares. So here let's count these shapes. How many shapes? 12 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 shapes are there. You can see here. All 12 shapes are arranged here to make a rectangle. This is a 10 by 6 rectangle. As there are 10 rows and 6 columns. Let's see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many rows are there? 10 rows are there. So 10 rows and 6 columns. So 10 by 6. You will be surprised to know that there are more than 2000 ways in which these shapes make a 10 by 6 rectangle. Now here draw all the 12 shapes on a sheet of cardboard and cut them. So this is one activity. You should draw all the 12 shapes on a sheet of cardboard and cut them. Now try to arrange your 12 shapes in some other way to make a 10 by 6 rectangle. Could you do it? You might have remembered the video game. In that also you are playing and arranging these all shapes. Have you played this game? Do this activity and play. Now try another puzzle. You have to make a 5 by 12 rectangle with these 12 shapes. There are more than 1000 ways to do it. If you can find even one, that's great. You have to do here 5 columns only. Now on next page, game time. Here is a chessboard. Play this game with your partner with one set of 12 shapes that you have already cut in previous activity. Now how to play this game? Here written, the first player picks one shape from the set and puts it on the board covering any 5 squares. Then the other player picks another shape and puts it on the board, but it must not overlap the first shape. That means not repeat it and not overlap the first shape. Then keep taking turns until one of you can't go any further. Whoever puts the last piece wins. So he is the winner, whoever puts the last piece. Make your own tile. Remember the floor patterns in Math Magic Book 4. Have you remembered Math Magic Book 4? That means in Standard 4 Math Magic Book, pages 117 and 119. You had to choose the correct tile which could be repeated to make a pattern so that there were no gaps left. Now Ziri went to a shop and was surprised to see the different design of tiles on the floor. Aren't these beautiful? You might have also seen many types of pattern of tiles on the floor of any hall or any room or shop or in the house also. So here are given 3 types of designs of tiles. 1, 2, 3. Can you find the tile which is repeated to make each of these floor patterns? Circle a tile in each pattern. So let's circle. Here I have circled a tile in this pattern, and in this other pattern I have circled this other tile. You can see here. This is one tile, and here also one tile by which this pattern is made. See here. So this all tiles are jointed with each other and then pattern is made. Now after looking at the patterns, Ziri wanted to make her own yellow tile. You to make a tile this way. So this is also one type of activity you should do yourself. Step 1. Take a piece of cardboard or thick paper. Draw a square of side 3 cm on it. So this is a square of side 3 square centimeter. Then step 2 is draw a triangle on any one of the sides of this square, and this triangle should be outside. So here one triangle is drawn. Then step 3, draw another triangle of the same size on another side of the square, but this time draw it inside the square. Before it was outside of this square, but now it should be inside the square. This is. Now step 4, cut this shape from the cardboard. Your tile is ready. What is its area? So let's calculate the area. Because we have drawn a square of 3 centimeter. So here area of this shape is side into side is equal to 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter is equal to 9 square centimeter is the area of this shape. Now Ziri made a pattern using her yellow tiles that she has made before. You know the area of her tile that we have already found. What is the area of her tile? That is 9 square centimeter. Now 2 questions are asked below this pattern. Answer these. So how many tiles has she used? So how many tiles has she used? So let's count the tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So she has used 12 tiles. Now what is the area of the floor pattern Ziri has made here? So here area of the floor pattern is asked, means this whole area is asked, that is made by Ziri, that has been made by Ziri. So let's calculate the area of the floor pattern. As we know that here Ziri has made one tile using 4 such shape. One shape of 9 square centimeter. This one shape, 2 shape, 3 shape and 4 shape. So she has made one tile using 4 such shape, and area of one shape is 9 square centimeter. So area of 4 such shapes are 4 9s are 36 square centimeter. As we have seen, area of one shape in the whole tile is 9 square centimeter, and there are 4 such shapes in a tile. So area of a whole tile is 9 into 4 is equal to 36 square centimeter is the area of a whole tile. Then now such tiles are 12. So area of 12 tiles is equal to 36 into 12 is equal to 432 square centimeter is the area of 12 tiles. That means area of the given pattern. Now here is a practice time. Ziri tried to make some other tiles. She started with a square of 2 centimeter side and made shapes like this. These are the square of 2 centimeter side. Look at this carefully. So look these 4 shapes carefully and find out which of these shapes will tile a floor without any gap. Discuss what is the area of these shapes. So if you observe here, shape C and D will tile the floor without any gaps. The area of these shapes is 4 square centimeter because measurement of this square is 2 as said in the question, 2 centimeter side. So area of square is equal to side into side. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4 square centimeter is the area of this tile. So here we have made one design by using shape C. This shape C, this design is made, and now we are making other design by using shape D. Is this is D, and this is a design by using shape this D, this design. Okay, now some of the designs which can be made from a square are given below. These are the design which are made by square. And this can be done by using triangular tile as follows. So you can draw these all shapes in your math notebook. Your homework, practice and write this all practice question in your notebook. Thank you.